Hi everyone, Miss Nicole here for your second day of camp. This is your check-in. As you can see, I have my sunglasses on. We wear those when we go to the beach, so we're going to pretend that we're at the beach this week, right? So we have to wear our sunglasses. And I have some other fun beach things that I'll show you at the end. So I'm going to go over our schedule today. And I'm first going to do the younger schedule, the younger group schedule, and then I'll do the older group schedule. So I hope everyone is doing well, getting outside, completing all our activities that you guys got. We had a lot of fun with this, so we hope you guys are too. I am going to take these off. There I can see, and I'm going to put these on. There we go. All right. So it is Tuesday, like I said. I have our schedule set up right here. So I'm going to go real quickly over the younger group, what you expect today and what you can find. So at, I think around 11 it says, and the link only lasts 4 hours. So, or a little after 11, you guys are going to have Zumba with Miss Jessica. Okay, so that link will be emailed to you. And you guys are going to click on that link and you'll have 4 hours. It's not 4 hours of straight Zumba, but 4 hours of the video that you can just go on within those 4 hours. And you guys can do Zumba with Miss Jessica. Okay. And then it says here at 12:30, I'm just going to go by the times that we have on the schedule. You do them when you want, right? But at 12:30, it is a science activity. It's exploring sand. So in your box, let's look over. I have it pulled up. There it is. So there is the activity sheet, the exploring sand. You will get a Ziploc bag of sand that you'll have in there, a bag of small rocks or pebbles, a bowl, plastic or paper, magnifying glass so you can see, a marker or crayon, and the activity sheet will also be stapled to this materials list. So if you go to the directions, it tells you exactly what to do. So you're going to open the bag of sand and rocks and pebbles and you're going to pour them in the bowl. You're going to use your magnifying glass to dig with your hands. You can use a fork, a popsicle stick, or a pencil to dig around in there too. And then you are going to complete the activity sheet. And that's where you can use your marker. You're going to write an answer in, or circle your answer, or draw a picture. So if you look at the sheet, what do you see? That's where you write it in. Or you can draw a picture of what you see. And then describe what you see. So if I'm looking, I can say it is brown or it is small. You're going to use those describing words. What colors do you see? So you can do that as well. And then how does it feel? And you have a few more questions on that activity sheet. Okay, so that was going to be your science activity of the day. After the science activity, you get to do a physical. Let's get physical, right? You're going to do a physical activity. And that is, you can see, this is upside down on my tablet. I'm not sure why. But you guys in your packet got a dice game. You guys got the dice game. And basically, it's pretty self-explanatory. You guys can either cut this out and make your own dice, or you can cut up the square. You also got one of these. Upside down again. My apologies. You can cut these out and just pick from a hat, however you want to do. But the point is, you roll the dice and it says crab. Okay? On there, you're going to walk like a crab. You're going to get, I'm not going to do it, but you get your arms back, your legs out. There's also a sheet in there that tells you how to do the movements. So that way it'll show you how to do it. And then you roll the dice, another set of dice. And those are how fast or how slow you do it. So if it says fast crab, you have to walk really fast like a crab. Okay? Or if it says slow crab, you just go slow. And then it will have a normal side, and that's just go at a normal speed that you would normally walk at. Okay? So that's going to be your physical activity for the day. After that physical activity, you guys are going to do music and movement with the Piedmont, okay? You guys are going to do music and movement. So that is going to be online, an online video. The only thing that it looks like will be Zooms is a Zumba for today. Zumba. That's easy to remember. But that's for the music and movement at 2:30. So you can go right onto our YouTube channel and check that out. And then, let's see, after that, at 3:30 is your reading activity. And that is, let's go to the beach. So you guys are going to read with your moms or dads or whoever you're with. And you're going to read the story together. You're going to read the story, and then you have an activity sheet that's also included in your box that you're going to complete. And again, you can get help with your mom or dad or whoever you're hanging out with that day. So that's for our younger kids. That's going to be your day today. Oh, nope. After you read at 4 o'clock, you also get in there a schedule with Miss Akia, and you're going to do virtual field trips. I'm excited about that one. You have some things in your box as well that you can put on. I think like goggles. You have a towel that you can wear while you go on these virtual field trips with Miss Akia. And then again, she'll be putting those videos up on YouTube. All right, so that sounds like a fun, busy day. Be a great day. So that was the younger kids. Now our older kids, you're going to do some of the same things. The science activity at 11 is going to be eating like a whale. So this is what you're looking for. Eating like a whale activity. You're going to have a small container, plastic little small container, a comb, pre-cut pieces of string, a paper or plastic bowl. You'll have your activity sheet. You'll have a bag of small rocks or pebbles, a cooking baster, and a marker. And you're going to follow along the directions. You have all the directions that you'll follow along. And then you have your activity sheet that you're going to complete. Okay? So again, you'll be able to follow along as you do and then write in your comments. Remember, this is for the older group. The older group, okay? So that's your science activity at 11. At 12 that day, well, I guess it will be the same time. You guys are going to go on to Zoom. There'll be a Zoom link that you guys can go on to, and you're going to do Zumba with Miss Jessica, okay? So that same link that the young kids have, you guys will have emailed to you. So make sure moms and dad check the email. And then at 1:30, the physical activity for that day. Oh, where do you guys go? Where is it? It's going to be a water balloon toss. It's going to be the water balloon toss. There it is. You guys will get a paper like that. Pretty simple. You're going to need water balloons and maybe a change of clothes. So you have the balloons included in the box. You're going to fill them up. You're going to get with a partner. One partner stands here, the other stands here, and you can just underhand toss the water balloon. After you do that, you take a step back. If you have the water balloon in your hand, you hold it, while your partner does some sort of physical activity. They can do 3 squats, 5 jumps. You can reach up and down 5 times, or you can do some sort of exercise of your choice. Push-ups, you can do star jumps, jumping jacks, anything that you do. So do it 3 to 5 times. This is for the older group while you wait. Then your partner will toss you the water balloon. Hopefully it doesn't break. If it breaks, that's why you get different water balloons in your box, okay? So you guys can use as many as you want. But that'll be your physical activity. So you're tossing as well as doing some movements in between your tosses. And then in that 2:30, after 2:30 mark, you'll be with Piedmont Music Therapy, Music and Movement. That's going to be on your YouTube link. And then also you guys are doing the virtual field trip with Miss Akia at 4 o'clock, again, in a YouTube link. So that is our Tuesday. All right. Now, just to be thinking of some things that you might have at the beach. I had my sunglasses on earlier. And when you go to the beach, you want to make sure you stay hydrated. So you drink plenty of water. So you make sure you have a beach cup. These are some of the things that you can bring when you check in with Miss Ashley and I on Friday for your show and tell. So those are some ideas that you guys can have. All right, so that's Tuesday. Hope you guys have a lot of fun with this. Any questions, let us know. But if not, I will check in with you guys on Thursday. You'll hear from Miss Ashley tomorrow. All right, bye everyone. I'll see you all on Thursday.